Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Davis here with another lesson about our solar system. But today we're going to be focusing on only one of those 8 planets, the planet Earth. We're going to be learning about our planet. When we started our study about the solar system, I let you know my opinion about the planet Earth. I said it was the greatest planet in the solar system, and we have discovered that even though there are 8 planets in our solar system, there's only one planet that has life on it. That's our planet. And during our study, we really want to discover the value of the planet Earth, because there's no other planet in the solar system that we can live on. So we've got to learn to take care of our home in space, the planet Earth. Today we're going to be listening to this story, nonfiction, about the Earth. And I want you to listen carefully, because today you're going to be writing not 2 facts, but 4 facts about the planet Earth. All right, so let's get started. The Earth. You know, before we get started, I want you to think about what you already know about the planet Earth. Yes, it is our planet. What do you think you know? Think for just a minute. Now, after I read, you're going to add to that knowledge. The Earth. Since this is a nonfiction, it does have a table of contents. The table of contents lets me know as a reader what I'm going to learn about. Chapter 1, what is the Earth? Chapter 2, the moving Earth. And then Chapter 3, the changing Earth. Let's get started. Chapter 1, what is the Earth? Where are you right now? You may be in your home, you may be at school, but wherever you are on Earth. The Earth is a planet. The Earth is round. The Earth is beautiful. It looks like a blue marble from far away. This is a real photograph of our planet from outer space. Fast fact, the Earth is more than 4 billion years old. And I think it's in pretty good shape for being that old. Most of the Earth is covered with water, but there is also a lot of land. Take a close look. You can see the United States. So in this diagram, you can see some labels and some red lines. So this shows you on this planet Earth of ours that the blue is water. This is the location of the United States. Land is green and brown, and clouds are white. The Earth is surrounded by a thick blanket of air called the atmosphere. I notice this word is dark and bold. That means it's one of the important words in this nonfiction text that we're reading. Plants and animals all breathe air. The Earth is the only planet where living things have been found. So that definitely makes it a special planet in the solar system. And here's a list of some living things. Girl, lion, flower, tree. Chapter 2, the moving Earth. You cannot feel it, and I'm glad. But the Earth is always moving. It travels around the sun on an invisible path. It takes about 1 year to go all the way around. So that is what we call revolving around the sun. But the Earth is also doing another kind of moving. It's rotating. The Earth spins like a top as it travels around the sun. When one part of the Earth faces the sun, the other part faces away from the sun. And that is why we have days and nights. That's an amazing planet. So we're revolving around the sun, and at the same time, we're spinning as we revolve. We're rotating and revolving. It's just amazing. We can't even feel that. What a great planet. Why do we have seasons? The Earth is tilted as it moves around the sun. And here's a little diagram that shows that the Earth is tilting away from the sun in the winter, and then it tilts towards the sun in the summer. The Earth is tilted as it moves around the sun. When the part of the Earth with the United States is tilted away from the sun like this, it is winter. Brr. When part of the Earth with the United States is tilted toward the sun like this, it is summer. We get hotter weather because more of the sun's rays can reach the Earth. We also get more hours of sunlight. We definitely have an amazing planet. Chapter 3, the changing Earth. The Earth is always changing. Wind and water carve deep canyons. It took millions of years to make. This area is called the Grand Canyon. Lava flows from volcanoes. The lava cools and hardens. This can build tall mountains. Fast fact, lava comes from deep inside the Earth. Did you know that people can also change the Earth? They build farms, they build towns, they build big cities. We must always take good care of the Earth. It is our own special home in space. I love that last thought about the planet Earth. Fast fact, more than 6.5 billion people inhabit the Earth. And of course, this book was written years ago, so I'm sure that number has changed. Wow, we sure do live on the greatest planet in the solar system. Now, you've learned a lot of facts about the planet Earth. So here's what I want you to do. As part of your learning today, I want you to think now about some new facts that you learned about the planet Earth. And normally, if we were at school, I would be giving you this cute little sheet that has 4 circles. And at the top, it says facts about our Earth. And you would be writing 4 different facts in those sections. However, since you're at home, I want you to grab your spiral. This is what I did with mine. And what I did to help me, instead of making circles, I just folded a sheet in half long ways. And that made 2 long boxes. And then I took my pencil and I went down, and I took my pencil and went in the middle, and I created 4, hey, I created fourths out of this whole sheet of paper. I wrote fact number 1, fact number 2, fact number 3, and fact number 4. So what I would like you to do, I want you to write down 4 different facts that you learned today about the planet Earth, our great planet. And as always, I want you to take a picture of your work and send it to me via email or in Blooms. Make sure you're writing a sentence. Don't just write a few words. Write a complete thought and share with me 4 facts about our great planet. Now, as we continue our study, we're going to be focusing more and more on the planet Earth. And we're going to be talking about ways that we can take care of our great planet. We have to be Earth helpers. We're in charge of taking care of this wonderful planet called planet Earth. We can do it. All right, get busy on those 4 facts. Until next time, have a good one.